Hi, I'm Emilio, and this is Advisorverse. We all face decision paralysis. That feeling when you have a tough choice to make, but getting good advice is either too slow, too expensive, or just biased. Decision paralysis is a productivity killer. When we face major life choices, most of the time they lead to regret because we make them in a vacuum. We default to our own biases because asking 5 different friends takes days, and hiring a professional coach costs hundreds of dollars an hour. My solution is a personal advisory council. Instead of just one generic chatbot, I built a system that consults 5 distinct AI personalities simultaneously to give you a balanced risk assessment in seconds. Here's the squad. We have the tough love coach for action, the therapist for emotional safety, the business strategist for return of investment, the philosopher for meaning, and the wildcard to challenge your assumptions. Under the hood, core innovation is the architecture. I use a custom parallel agent class to orchestrate the system. It founds out the user's query to all 5 agents asynchronously. This parallel execution is key. It makes the system 5 times faster than a sequential chain. It prevents groupthink because the agents don't see each other's answers. Technically, this is built on Google Vertex AI using the Gemini 2.5 Flash Lite model for high-speed intelligence. I use the Python ADK for orchestration and SQLite for the persistent memory layer. The code handles 3 complex tasks. 1. Configuring the distinct personas with rigid system prompts. 2. Managing the parallel execution threads so they run at the same time. And 3. Storing user preferences in a local database so the system gets smarter. So let's see it in action. I asked the system, should I change careers? Because the output is detailed, here are snippets from 3 of the 5 agents to show the range of perspectives you get instantly. First, the business strategist immediately analyzes the return on investment and opportunity cost. It's pure logic. Then, the top love coach hits me with the harsh truth. It tells me to stop whining and identify the actual pain points. Finally, the wild card flips the script entirely. It asks what I'll do if money were no object. This diversity, logic, action, and creativity is what helps break decision paralysis. So, the impact here is measurable. We've gone from hours of research to seconds. We built a zero bias architecture, and we have a system that creates an active learning loop based on your feedback. In the future, I plan to add a debate mode where agents can argue with each other before presenting a final recommendation, and eventually add voice integration for a real-time roundtable experience. Building Advisorverse taught me that the real power of AI isn't just in one model, but in orchestrating many models to work together. I learned how to manage parallel state, persist user memory, and deploy a live system on Google Cloud. Thank you for watching.